I see the lights are flashing, I hear the thunder roar. So we're on the dark side of town. My baby's with a new love and the wind is out of the north. Should be with her right now. Cold sheets of rain pouring down. Is my love safe and warm? Where is she sleeping now? Cold sheets of rain pouring down. I worry so about her, she's afraid of storms. Don't know how to ease her mind. I need someone to love her and to keep her safe and warm. Someone who's patient and kind. Cold sheets of rain pouring down. Is my love safe and warm? Where is she sleeping now? Cold sheets of rain pouring down. Sheets of rain pouring down. Is my love safe and warm? Where is she sleeping now? Cold sheets of rain pouring down. Cold sheets of rain pouring down.